Most people assume wealthy individuals spend their money very differently from everyone else. They imagine luxury cars, designer clothing, massive homes, and expensive lifestyles filled with things most people can only dream about. While some wealthy people certainly enjoy those things, what often surprises people is how many purchases financially successful individuals actively avoid. The reason is not because they cannot afford them. The reason is because they understand something most people learn far too late. Building wealth is not only about what you buy, it is also about what you choose not to buy. One of the biggest myths about wealth is that rich people spend money freely while everyone else must be careful. In reality, many wealthy individuals become wealthy precisely because they are selective about where their money goes. They understand that every dollar spent carries a hidden cost. Money used for one purchase loses the opportunity to be invested, compounded, or used to create future income. Over time, those decisions create a massive difference between people who appear wealthy and people who actually are wealthy. The interesting part is that many of the things wealthy people avoid are products and services heavily marketed to the average consumer. They are often purchases society encourages, celebrates, and treats as normal. Yet financially successful individuals frequently see them very differently. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from us. With that said, let's get back to the video. The first thing many wealthy people avoid buying is a brand new car every few years. Cars lose value rapidly, often declining significantly the moment they leave the dealership. Wealthy individuals understand that constantly upgrading vehicles creates an endless cycle of depreciation. Instead of viewing cars as status symbols, they often view them as transportation tools. While they may purchase quality vehicles, many keep them far longer than people expect. The second thing they often avoid is expensive lifestyle upgrades that create permanent monthly costs. A larger house, luxury memberships, premium subscriptions, and high-maintenance hobbies may seem manageable individually. The problem appears when all of them become recurring expenses. Wealthy people tend to evaluate purchases based on long-term financial impact rather than immediate excitement. Third, many financially successful people avoid carrying credit card debt. They understand that high-interest debt works against wealth creation. Every dollar spent on interest becomes a dollar that cannot be invested or saved. While some use credit cards strategically for rewards or convenience, they generally avoid allowing balances to grow month after month. The fourth thing they avoid is buying things purely to impress other people. This is one of the most expensive habits in modern society. Social media has made comparison easier than ever before. People feel pressure to display success through purchases, vacations, clothing, and lifestyle choices. Wealthy individuals often recognize that trying to impress others creates a financial race with no finish line. The fifth thing many wealthy people avoid is financing depreciating luxury items. Furniture, electronics, vacations, and other lifestyle purchases often lose value quickly. Financing these items means paying interest on something becoming less valuable every day. That combination rarely supports long-term wealth building. The sixth thing they avoid is constantly chasing trends. Whether it is fashion, technology, collectibles, or social media-driven spending, trends often encourage unnecessary purchases. Financially successful people tend to focus more on long-term value than short-term popularity. They understand that trends come and go, while financial stability remains valuable forever. The seventh thing wealthy people frequently avoid is excessive housing costs relative to income. This does not necessarily mean living in the cheapest home possible. It means avoiding the temptation to buy the maximum house a lender will approve. Large mortgages can limit investing, reduce flexibility, and increase financial stress even for high earners. The eighth thing they avoid is paying for convenience without considering the long-term cost. Food delivery, frequent takeout, impulse purchases, and convenience services may seem insignificant individually. However, repeated over years, these expenses can quietly consume enormous amounts of money. Wealthy individuals often evaluate whether convenience genuinely provides value before making it a permanent habit. The ninth thing many wealthy people avoid is speculative purchases they do not understand. Whether it involves investments, business opportunities, or financial products, successful wealth builders often prefer simplicity over excitement. They understand that not understanding an investment creates unnecessary risk. The 10th thing they avoid is upgrading everything at the same time. Many people receive a raise and immediately improve multiple areas of their lifestyle. New furniture, newer vehicles, better apartments, more expensive vacations, and additional subscriptions all appear at once. Wealthy individuals often move much more carefully because they know lifestyle inflation can quietly consume future wealth. I'm curious about your experience with this. What is one purchase you made that seemed important at the time but later felt unnecessary? Share your answer in the comments below because your experience may help someone else make a better financial decision. The 11th thing wealthy people often avoid is spending based on emotions. Stress, boredom, frustration, excitement, and even happiness can trigger spending decisions. Retail therapy exists because purchases can create temporary emotional relief. The problem is that the emotional benefit usually disappears long before the financial cost does. Wealthy individuals are not immune to emotions, but many develop systems that prevent emotions from controlling their financial decisions. The 12th and perhaps most surprising thing they avoid is the belief that earning more money automatically solves financial problems. Many people think wealth begins when income reaches a certain number. Wealthy individuals often know better. They understand that financial habits matter at every income level. Someone who cannot manage money effectively at $50,000 may struggle just as much at $100,000. Higher income can increase opportunities, but it cannot replace discipline. What ties all these habits together is a different way of thinking about money. Most people evaluate purchases by asking whether they can afford them today. Wealthy individuals often ask a different question. They ask what that money could become if invested, saved, or used more strategically. This mindset creates thousands of small decisions that compound over decades. At the beginning of this video, we talked about how wealthy people often avoid purchases that society encourages. The reason is not because they dislike spending money. The reason is because they understand the opportunity cost behind every financial decision. Wealth is rarely built through a few dramatic choices. More often, it is built through hundreds of ordinary decisions repeated consistently over long periods. The truth is that becoming wealthy often looks surprisingly boring from the outside. It involves patience, discipline, delayed gratification, and thoughtful decision-making. Those habits may not attract attention on social media, but they have created financial freedom for countless people over the years. The next time you consider a major purchase, try asking yourself a simple question. Will this purchase move me closer to the life I want in 10 years, or simply make me feel better for the next 10 minutes? That one question can completely change the way you think about money. If you want to keep developing the habits that lead to financial success, check out one of the videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.